Sa Good Vibes, 526 ka healthcare graduates ang ginapaabot magabulig sa healthcare system sang pungsod. May report si Nico Delfin.
Mapag-on kag may ikasarang ining pagtanaw sang pamunuan sang Riverside College Incorporated sa 526 ka mga graduates nga nakigbahin sa 63rd graduation rites sa SMX Convention Center sang Sabado.
Very gratifying to produce students who can rise up and face the challenge that has been posed by the COVID during their period. I think they adapted. They displayed resiliency. I think they displayed traits of a global leader, professionals.
Pareho sa ilan ng graduation song. Dako man ang pagpati sa nagapanguna nga producer sang healthcare professional sa probinsya nga dako mabulig sang newly graduates. Sa pagpahaganagan sang epekto sang COVID-19 pandemic, lakip na sa environmental change sa pungsod. Iniman ang ginalauman sa ila ni Anay Presidential Assistant for Rehabilitation and Recovery Undersecretary Danilo Antonio nga naging speaker sa seremonya.
But once you've already recovered, I'd like you to think as what entrepreneurs should think, which is to create jobs. Be job creators. Okay.
Hope that these graduates will contribute to the world in their own way, change the world, and in the process become very happy individuals and successful professionals.
Sa valedictory speech ni Ralph Jason Tulmo, summa cum laude sang medical technology, ginhangkat niya man ang iya parehos nga graduates nga mangin exceptional sa napili nga propesyon.
You become exceptional when you choose to do what our alma mater calls us to become, global leaders and professionals. Whichever room you will be in, strive to be the one calling the shots.
Kabahin sa mga kurso nga ginatanyag sang bulutuan ang nursing, physical therapy, pharmacy, psychology, entrepreneurship, business administration, radiologic technology kag medical technology. Nico Delfin para sa DGCast Negros.